Hey everyone! I know it's been a little while since I posted some content. I've gone through a little bit of changes, I'm sure, as all of we know after the Microsoft layoffs. So I just wanted to let you know that I have started work with a new company called Mindsight. They are a CSP, and if any of my educational prior contacts still need assistance, I've slowly been moving some of my previous educational customers over to Mindsight. And if you need any additional support or help on the educational sector or even enterprise, feel free to fill out the form that I'll be providing in this YouTube link, and we'll work on getting things started and continuing to assist you. Here soon, I'll be starting my typical trainings back up. I am still working with the EDU office hours, so I'll still be joining those presentations and occasionally presenting. And overall, just looking forward to getting back into the swing of things after a small hiatus and helping everybody kind of learn and grow in the ecosystem. So looking forward to seeing everybody again here soon and hope everybody's doing well.